June 15, 2023. This is an I got a call from a customer. He's got a Goodman system, first and second floor. The second floor, I guess, it's a leaker. And he says he wants me to go juice it up. I told him he needs a new system over there. It's an R22 system. And he knows R22 is 150 bucks a pound. Told him right up front. You know, really should upgrade the system. But it's a R22 leaker. But he wants to pay the dough. It's up to him. Their choice. If I have R22, I'll sell it to him. Leave it to the government to screw up a good thing. Oh yeah, Miss Molly, Miss Molly. It's a Goodman. Can't stop a Goodman. They're noisy buggers. I think they got Bristol compressors in them. They're noisy. The old Bristols. Yeah, I know it, Molly. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, I know Miss Molly. I know Miss Molly. High maintenance. She's high maintenance. Yeah, high maintenance, Molly. High maintenance. What? High maintenance. Yeah. You're high maintenance, Miss Molly. You go high maintenance. High maintenance, Miss Molly. This is definitely an R22 unit. Well, you want to take a look at this? We're really low. We're at 35 here on the suction. See it?
Yep.
That's low. It's going to be above 60 or it's going to ice. At 35, that's super cold. So we're gonna bring that up. See 34?
Yep.
I'm going to show you on my chart what that is, okay? And I'm going to show you why it ices. Just let me. Alright, so we're going to put some gas in this thing. Yeah, so the new machines are really quiet.
Are they really?
Yeah. Can't even hear it running. No, I just got a thing that goes under my nose. They work.
Yes.
Yeah. You take the phone with you to bed, and then you listen in the morning, you'll be like, wow, listen to this shit. That's the way I found out with the app, you know. We're going to leave it right there, seeing it's a leaker. Well, we're good there. We got superheater at 15, suctions at 67. So, I mean, you need a new system here.